Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian Eliseo Mendoza. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, December 12, 2024. Ngayong araw po ay ating tutuloy na ating series which is about the 7 postures of prayer. Specifically, ang maging topic po natin for today is about praying with expectation. Now, ang ating talata po, scripture is manggagaling sa Matthew chapter 7 verses 7 and 8. Sabi ko rito, ask, seek, knock. Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be open to you. For everyone who asks receives, the one who seeks finds, and to the one who knocks the door will be open. So, upang ito ay ating mas bigyan ng kahulugan, tayo pagdila ko sa ating katuruan para sa araw na ito. Una po, God is not stingy. He is generous. So, dito po, nire-remind po tayo that God's nature is one of abundance, meaning He loves to pour out blessings and i-provide yung mga pangangailangan natin. So, His generosity, it isn't based on what we do, but on who He is. Kalawa, God is pleased with an expectant heart. So, when we come to Him through prayer, He wants us to believe that He can and He will answer. So, through expectations, nakikita na rin yung pananampalataya natin and faith, yung pananampalataya natin, it pleases God. And ikatlo po, God has promised and He will answer. Ang ating Panginoon po hindi po na ini-ignore o dinidismiss ang ating mga panalangin. His answers may come in different ways. Yes, no, or wait, but He always responds. Yun po ang lagi natin patandaan. Ang ating Panginoon po ay palagi nag-respond sa ating mga prayer, but in different ways. So, because He is faithful to His promises, lagi pong tatandaan na palagi pong sumasagot ang ating Panginoon. Para po sa ating application, paano po natin ma-apply mga katuruan nito? Una po, pray because God answers prayer. So, we take time to talk to God, knowing that nakikinig ang ating Panginoon, and hindi lang siya nakikinig kundi sumasagot din siya sa atin. So, make prayer a regular part of your life. Kalawa, expect great things from God. So, pray with faith. Nalangin po tayo ng may pananampalataya, not doubting His ability to do amazing things in our life. So, anticipate His blessings and intervention. And lastly po is trust God's wisdom and sovereignty. So, even if His answers aren't what you expected, hindi man ito yung in-expect natin sagot, magtiwala pa rin tayo sa Kanya because He sees the bigger picture and always works for good and His glory. Lagi po natin tatandaan na hindi man natin makuha yung sagot na in-expect natin, magtiwala naman po tayo sa Kanya dahil Siya ang nakakaalam ng the best para sa atin. Anyway, marami po tayong natutunan sa araw nito.